Hi guys, here 15 minus, here 3 power 2 is 9 times 2 divided by 6. Here 15 minus 9 is 6 times 2 divided by 6. Here 6 times 2 is 12 divided by 6. Here 12 divided by 6 is 2 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 2 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is the exponent. Here we have exponent. So we have to do this 3 power 2 before this operation. Here 15 minus 3 power 2 is 9 times 2 divided by 6. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and division. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication division before this subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 9 times 2. So we have to do this 9 times 2 before this operation. Here 15 minus 9 times 2 is 18 divided by 6. Here we have subtraction and division. Division is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this division before this subtraction. So 15 minus, here 18 divided by 6 is 3. Here 15 minus 3 is 12 is the correct answer.